What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox and check this speaker. It's from ZEBRONICS, you can see, and that also an USB speaker and a 2.1 speaker, which I like most. I am not a big fan of stereo speakers except the edifier one that you have seen before, but I'm a fan of 2.1 speaker and the 5.1 and all. So even for USB speaker, I prefer 2.1. So today we're gonna open this box and check the ZEBRONICS speaker, how the speaker is, and the build quality, and of course the sound quality and all. So first of all, let's take a look at the box. Here you can see that's a Z 2.1 speaker. The name is Pluto 2. Right here you can see that's the speaker, and 15 watt RMS output, which is a very good one. And also I can see BT5. Wow, I didn't even know that this thing has a Bluetooth. I just bought this thing for this 2.1 and the new design, so I wanted to check it out, but I didn't know that this thing has a Bluetooth. And also that's version 5.0, which is very nice. And then aux input, RGB lights. So here some other specs: 15 watt RMS power and 3.5 mm jack and net weight 860 gram, very lightweight. 6 RGB mode, USB FM, USB powered. So that's it. And now let's check the price. MRP is 2499, 2499. That's huge, but this thing is available online for 1200 only. I'll give the link in the description below so you can go there and check it out. So now let's open this box and check the speakers. That's a QR code, and it's written here scan for user manual. So you scan this code and you'll get the user manual online. Just for that only. Now these are the speaker drivers, very small in size. That's the one. And here you can see the design is very nice, and front that's the metal grill, ZEBRONICS logo at the bottom, and this white line I can see that's the RGB lights. The lights would be here. So that's the back side, and the build quality looks very nice. That's another one, channel speaker. And now nothing else in the box. That's the main unit, the subwoofer driver. So that's the main unit. So at the front side you can see a very big size volume control knob is there with on-off switch. And at the bottom, few buttons are there: micro SD card, USB slot. That's for LEDs and mode. And next, previous, these buttons are there because this thing has a Bluetooth. So this kit is here. And at the back, that's the 3-inch driver, subwoofer driver. And on this side, there's a earbuds port, a very small one, like 1-inch diameter earbuds port. Here you can see ZEBRONICS Pluto 2. The branding is here. So that's it. Now here you can see that's the USB power, USB and the aux cable. So I'm going to connect this thing to my PC and then turn it on and check this out. So I have connected this thing to my PC right there, and just the USB, not the aux cable. So now I'm going to turn this on and see the illumination, the bottom ones as I told you, and also they are having the light on the speaker drivers. Here you can see that's also RGB, and this big size ring light is looking very nice. So like you can keep it in your bedroom, and you can dim the main room light and can listen to the music with this light, and that will feel very nice. So now, as you can see here, the blue light is blinking. So I'm going to connect this into my mobile phone.
Pluto 2 is now connected.
So it's connected now. Now let's check some songs. So it's connected now. I'm playing the music. So now I'm going to increase the volume and then check the sound of it. So the sound is very nice, crispy sound. Well, that's just the music. I'm gonna play one more song with the vocals, and then check the sound. But as I must say, the sound is very nice, and the bass is also very good. There is one fault in this thing. At the buttons here, you can see there are some gaps. The USB socket and micro SD. When I keep my fingers here, I can feel some air leakage from this cabinet. So little bit of air leakage, but if they seal this thing totally from inside off, so the sound would be like much better than this. But still, the bass is also very good, and this is a ported subwoofer, so there's a port ear passing port at the back, so the sound is very nice. And unlike all other speakers, just like that, they don't have the speaker open. They put a grill on the speaker back, so this is gonna stay safe. No touching on the cone or anything like that. Nothing is gonna get the speaker damaged.
You said that you've been every day, waiting for the moment I will feel like I should say, no way I'd let you slip by, no way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade? Even without you here. Still I hold on you.
So I must say the sound is very nice, and the bass is also very good. So I'm gonna enjoy using this thing, and playing games on this thing would be very nice. So later I'm gonna do the detailed sound test of this thing, and also gonna play games on this thing. And I really like this thing, and I just don't want to move it from here. I like seeing this thing. The illumination is very nice. So that's it. If you like small speakers, then definitely you can buy this thing for 1200 rupees only. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.